look.
This guy is hard to get on.
He's like a horse riding cowboy. I think Aaron likes it, don't you? Aaron, good boy.
Can I try?
He likes being messed with. I didn't think he'd like it.
Just hold on tight. Don't let him go away. He's tall. I know how to get on him. How? Here, I'll show you.
Oh, I do need to take a picture.
Here, now I know.
He
No.
knows now. Let him try.
No. Too far. I know.
Bring your leg around. Bring your leg around. Oh, bring it.
Look at that.
Oh my God! Did you put your initial on it?
Here. I know what to do. You can lift me up. Okay, he moved. Who just let me on it?
Come here. Damn, Sam, you're gaining some weight.
No.
Aww.
Let me get on him. Oh, mercy.
Okay, so you look
Okay,
like
that's good.
Good boy, Aaron. Give him kisses. He's a nice boy.